All right. Hello, Professor. I'm going to demonstrate these four activities. They are part of one turn-in. I gave you one of the files already, but I'm just going to demonstrate that they all run in this video. I will also send you the files in one of the tests. I'll give you a bash file. You could just run that and it'll run the test. So it'll be easier. Okay, the first one is priority readers and writers. Let me just do some space here. Okay, this one is the first. It's the first one of the problems for the set. Okay, so I compile it and run it, and it runs fine. Each writer increments the value, and each reader just reads it and tells you how many readers there are at the time. And I don't know if you can see it all, but here it is. I made the value just a character, and it adds one to it when the new writer writes. That's part of the problem that they wanted. And it can only write when there are no readers reading it. And here it reads it. And that's it. Okay, that was the first one. Next is the client one, where you have to build a simple client to connect to a server. So they provide a server to connect to. That's the simple socket server. It's just an executable. It doesn't. It still works. Okay. Here is mine. Mine are, I'll just say 453 and client or server. Oh, I forgot. Okay. This is a loopback. So you're gonna have any for the last three sections, as long as it starts at 127. Okay. Just specify the port. And it connected and accepted the client, and the program terminated. All right. Next, they say to make your own server and use our client to connect to it, or the provided one. So I'll load up mine here. Three server. Oops, forgot the V or the R. No, is it? And then we'll use their client this time. I don't believe it takes any arguments. Oh, there's defaults to the 8888. So I'll just start it up with it. Okay, so it connected it to mine, and mine connected to a client, and they both closed. So they just wanted to demonstrate the connection. The next was the last one, was to make an echo server and client. The client would provide a sentence or argument, and it would send it to the server. The server would receive it and uppercase all the lowercase letters in the message. Here, I'll compile my client one right here. So you compile this in. And then I'm getting ready to run it here. So in mine, I've just specified the address of the server, the port, and the message. This is the server I made for the Echo server. I just compile it and then run it. Okay, so the server is up and running. Now we can connect to it. Okay, so it takes my hello there and sends it to this server after it's connected. The server uppercased it and sent it back, and I've received it. Okay. I hope this helps.